Have you ever been curious about whether a younger woman is showing interest in you but found it hard to tell? Today, we're going to explore the subtle signs that you might be missing. These indications are often small, manifesting in her body language, conversational cues, or even in her social media interactions. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to recognize these discrete signals, enhancing your understanding of her interest. Stick around for the bonus tip at the end, a key insight that elegantly connects all these points. It's an essential piece of advice that will deepen your understanding and refine your approach. You won't want to miss this valuable takeaway. 1. Prolonged eye contact. Eye contact is a window into interest, and when it's prolonged, it could be a subtle sign that a younger woman is checking you out. But why is eye contact so telling? Let's get into it. When someone maintains eye contact for a longer period than usual, it's often a sign of interest or intrigue. It's not just a casual glance, it's an intentional and focused look. This kind of eye contact is different from a passing look. It's deeper, often accompanied by a smile or other facial expressions indicating curiosity or admiration. However, it's crucial to understand the difference between positive, interested eye contact and a gaze that makes someone uncomfortable. The key is in the nuances. A gentle, fleeting look with a smile can be endearing, whereas staring intently for too long can be off-putting. When you notice prolonged eye contact, it's an opportunity to make a warm, respectful compliment. Something like, "I couldn't help but notice your insightful gaze. It really made me curious about your thoughts." This kind of compliment acknowledges the connection without overstepping boundaries. It shows that you're paying attention and value the nonverbal communication, setting the stage for a respectful and genuine interaction. 2. Body language cues. Now, let's dive into the world of body language. It's often said that actions speak louder than words, and this couldn't be truer when it comes to deciphering subtle signs of interest. So, what are these body language cues we should be looking out for? Body language can reveal a lot about someone's feelings and intentions. When a younger woman is interested, you might notice her body is oriented towards you, even in a group setting. This subconscious action shows where her attention is focused. Additionally, mirroring your gestures or posture can be a subtle sign of her comfort and connection with you. It's important to approach this observation with respect and awareness. Recognizing these signs should lead to positive and genuine interactions. A simple and effective compliment, such as, "Your positive energy is really infectious. It's refreshing to be around someone so vibrant," can acknowledge this connection without being overbearing. This type of compliment does more than just flatter. It shows that you appreciate her presence and the subtle ways she communicates her interest. It's a way of saying you're not just noticing her physical presence, but also her efforts in engaging with you, creating a space for a respectful and mutually enjoyable interaction. 3. Playful teasing and laughter. Let's talk about laughter and playful teasing. They say laughter is the best medicine, but it can also be a sign that a younger woman is checking you out. Why do these playful interactions matter? Let's explore this a bit more. Laughter and light teasing are often signs of comfort and interest. When a woman is interested, she might engage in playful banter or laugh more readily at your jokes. This type of interaction creates a light, fun atmosphere and shows she's comfortable in your presence. It's not just about finding something funny, it's about creating a connection through shared humor. Remember, the key is in the nature of the teasing and laughter. It should be friendly and positive, not mean-spirited or uncomfortable. Observing this distinction is crucial for maintaining a respectful and enjoyable interaction. In response to this sign, an effective compliment could be, "Your sense of humor is brilliant. It's always a joy to meet someone with such a witty perspective." This compliment does more than acknowledge her sense of humor. It appreciates the quality of the interaction and the joy her presence brings. Hey, I hope you're finding this video insightful. If so, why not show a little support? Hitting that like button, dropping a comment, or subscribing can make a big difference. 4. Seeking opportunities for interaction. Now let's focus on the significance of seeking interaction. When a younger woman takes the initiative to engage with you, it could be a subtle sign of her interest. But what does this mean in practice? Let's break it down. When someone is interested, they often look for opportunities to interact. This might be as simple as starting a conversation, choosing to sit near you, or joining a group you're a part of. These actions indicate a desire to be in your company and share experiences. It's not just about being in the same room, it's about actively seeking ways to engage with you. It's essential to recognize and respect this interest. Engaging in a conversation, acknowledging her presence, and showing genuine interest in her contributions are great ways to reciprocate respectfully. Such interactions are about building a connection based on mutual interests and respect. Recognizing her efforts to engage and responding in kind creates a foundation for a meaningful and enjoyable interaction. 5. Compliments and questions. Now, let's explore the significance of compliments and questions. These are not just simple acts of kindness or curiosity. They can be subtle indicators of a younger woman's interest. But why do these gestures matter so much? Let's examine this. When a woman is interested, she might compliment you or ask personal questions. This shows she's not just passively engaging in conversation. She's actively interested in your life and thoughts. Compliments can be about your sense of style, your sense of humor, or even your perspectives on various topics. Similarly, questions that seek to understand more about you, your experiences, and your views are signs of genuine interest. In response, it's important to acknowledge and appreciate these gestures. A thoughtful compliment in return, like, "Your perspective is really insightful. It's a pleasure to meet someone who thinks so deeply," can create a deeper connection. It shows you're not only receptive to her interest, but also value her opinions and thoughts. This exchange of compliments and questions is about more than just flattery or curiosity. It's a way of building a rapport based on mutual respect and interest. Recognizing and reciprocating these gestures can lead to a more meaningful and enjoyable interaction, where both parties feel valued and heard. 6. Social media engagement. Let's jump into the digital age's version of flirting, social media engagement. In today's interconnected world, social media can be a significant indicator of interest. But why is this kind of engagement so telling? Let's unpack this. When a younger woman frequently likes, comments, or shares your social media posts, it can be a subtle hint of her interest in you. This isn't just about acknowledging your online presence. It's about her taking an active role in your digital life. It shows she's not only noticing your posts, but is also interested enough to engage with them. Whether it's a thoughtful comment on a post or a consistent interaction with your content, these are modern-day signs of checking you out. Social media engagement as a sign of interest is about more than just hitting the like button. It's a way of connecting in the digital space, showing that the interest possibly extends beyond just the screen. Recognizing and reciprocating this engagement can open doors to more personal and meaningful interactions. Now for the bonus point. Let's talk about a unique and intriguing tactic, the girlfriend smokescreen. This subtle strategy might be less familiar, but is equally telling when a younger woman is checking you out. So what exactly is this smokescreen, and why is it significant? Let's explore. The girlfriend smokescreen involves a woman using the company of her friends as a kind of social cover while she observes you. This tactic allows her to check you out more freely, under the guise of just hanging out with her friends. It might look like a group of friends chatting or laughing together, but in reality, one of them is paying special attention to you. This technique is clever because it provides a comfortable distance and a sense of safety. It allows her to express her interest subtly without putting herself directly in the spotlight. Observing this behavior can be a bit challenging, but noticing where her attention drifts during these group interactions can be a giveaway. In response, acknowledging this interest can be done in a respectful and lighthearted manner. A comment like, "I couldn't help but notice the fun energy from your group. It's always great to see friends enjoying themselves," can be a way to engage without directly calling out the smoke screen. It shows awareness and appreciation for the subtle dynamics at play, nurturing a comfortable and friendly atmosphere for any future interactions. Now that you know how to spot those signs, what's next for you? Discover the signs you're an attractive older guy, or learn the best compliments to give younger women. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.